Welcome to our channel, where we deep dive into the world of maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're about to unravel the mystery of work orders. We'll be exploring how to streamline them, the importance of prioritization, and how these factors can impact your operations. Stick around to the end, and you'll walk away with a comprehensive understanding of these concepts, ready to optimize your maintenance management strategies. Let's begin by looking at how to organize work orders. The most efficient route to this is through a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. These systems allow you to quickly sort work orders by priority, time, technician, asset, and other data, making work order management a breeze. But that's not all. Prioritizing work orders is a whole new ballgame. It's not just about tidying up, it's about assigning importance based on a variety of factors. These factors include the criticality of the asset, the risks of delaying work, and the resources available to you. By evaluating each work order in light of these areas, you'll be able to prioritize jobs in a way that best benefits your facility. Let's break these factors down, starting with criticality. This refers to how important the asset is to your process. If an asset is vital to your core operations, work orders involving that asset may need to be set to a higher priority. But remember, this is only if it represents a significant risk. Next, we have risk. Just because an asset is critical doesn't mean every work order needs to be top of the list. For example, in the case of recurring preventive maintenance, or PMs, you might not need to place high priority on certain tasks if the problems they'd prevent aren't very likely. In fact, about 30% of PMs don't actually accomplish anything, so this might be the case for you. However, if a work order deals with a safety issue or a problem that's highly likely on a core asset, you'll want to set that to a high priority. Emergency situations, which are very rare, would take the highest priority since they represent the most risk. Lastly, we have resources. To tackle a work order quickly, you need sufficient resources on hand. This includes time, personnel, and material components. If you're short in any of these areas, you might need to put the order on hold until you resolve that. Cost is also a major consideration. If it would cost more to repair the asset than it's worth, or more than you can currently afford, a work order prescribing repairs wouldn't necessarily be urgent. In some cases, replacement is the more cost-efficient route. By evaluating risks and criticality, and comparing that against your available resources and cost, you can assign a high, medium, or low priority to each task. This way, you're not just organizing your work orders, you're optimizing them. And that's how you keep your operations running smoothly. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the importance of organizing and prioritizing work orders and how these factors can impact your operations. Remember, the key to successful work order management is all about prioritizing and organizing efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and our suite of maintenance and reliability solutions, please visit us at upkeep.com.